Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Oops. Fine. Date is 2nd of October, and for the first time I am actually speaking to you not using my GoPro. Rather, I have purchased a new mirrorless camera, the Fujifilm X-T200, and I'm shooting with that. It has a swivel fully articulated screen, so I can see myself while I'm vlogging. It is a very good experience. So yeah, the later vlogs are going to be from this mirrorless camera. It's very known for its vlogging prowess. It has 4K recording, 1080p, and it's a very lightweight. But more on that later. I didn't get a time to review it. Honestly, I'm not a very good reviewer. The reason I want to talk to you today is regarding my upcoming trip. Yes, I have been... Oops. Dogs are barking. Uh-oh. The reason I wanted to talk to you regarding my upcoming trip, which is going to start on 10th of October, is because of certain visa reasons. So let me start from the beginning. It's been quite some time. I've had an international trip. Rather, it's like more than 2.5 years when I went to Thailand. That was the first vlog which you saw. Now the lockdown has been eased. A lot of countries, including a lot of countries in Europe, have started accepting fully vaccinated Indian citizens. I am fully vaccinated. So that's why around 3 months, 2 months back, I had selected 3 countries to visit. They are Ukraine, Albania, and Serbia. Now, why Ukraine, Albania, and Serbia? Ukraine has an e-visa service. Albania and Serbia are visa free. Mind you, visa free. Albania is visa free since it's only this year, 1st of April 2021. They have started allowing visa free access. It's gonna continue till 31st December. It was not a very well known fact. And Albania, honestly, let's face it, it's not the first country which comes to every Indian's mind when we are planning an international travel, especially in the European continent. You'll think of Germany or Switzerland or UK, but Albania, many people, most of the people haven't even heard of the name. So Albania has waived off visa requirements for Indian citizens since till 31st of December, and Serbia has been visa free for Indians since 2018, I guess. So Serbia and Albania, an Indian passport holder can stay up to 30 days in 1 year. So you can enter or exit as many times you want, but the number of days you are staying in it has to be 30 days. Of course, if you are a US green card holder, I think the number of days increases to 30, 60 or 90, but I don't know. I'm not a US green card holder, nor do I have a US visa with me. So for me, Albania and Serbia are 30 days visa free. Now, there are certain, it seems very interesting, right? The bone of contention in this video is Ukraine. So I'll give you a small snapshot of my trip. I'm flying on 10th of October via Fly Dubai from Kolkata to Dubai and from Dubai to Kiev, Ukraine. The plan exactly is the entire trip is of 20 days. It's a long trip. 20 days, 3 countries, 7 days a country like this. So I have meticulously planned with all the flights within it. This is how the plan is like. I'm going to show you. Our journey starts in Kolkata. On 10th of October, I'm going to fly from Kolkata to Kiev via Dubai. I will explore Kiev, and I'll also explore another city, Lviv, which is you see over here. Then the plan is from Kiev I plan to go to Albania, which is a country in the Balkan region. There is a direct flight, so you see from Kiev to Tirana. Explore the beautiful country of Albania, its history, its Greek Ottoman history, and the beautiful beaches of Albania. And from Albania go to Belgrade, the capital of Serbia. There's a short flight from Tirana to Belgrade. In Belgrade, I plan to see the city as well as Novi Sad, the beautiful national parks. And from Belgrade, I plan to fly to Kiev again because my flight is from Kolkata to Kiev and back. So I have to go back to Kiev to catch my return flight. And from Kiev, I plan to fly back to Kolkata on 30th of October. I'm not going into the details exactly how the trip is going to be, which you are going to see it when eventually it starts. me come to the problem, which is the bone of contention. Ukraine has an e-visa system. So out of the three countries, only Ukraine is the only country where you need a visa beforehand to enter. Now there are two kinds of visas. One is the sticker visa, where you have to submit your passport to an embassy. Generally, all the embassies have outsourced this consular services to VFS Global. So through VFS Global, you do the sticker visa. And the second is e-visa, which you do through a website on the net. You upload your passport photocopy, your bank statements, your return tickets, your hotel reservation, and your travel insurance, Ukrainian travel insurance, and you get the visa. The fee for it is around $20 for single entry, $30 for double entry. The link I have given in the description below of Ukraine e-visa. There is a massive price difference between e-visa and sticker visa. Sticker visas cost around 5,500 for a single entry and 9,000 up to 9,000 for double entry. Mine was a double entry visa, so I was obviously would have opted for the e-visa system. It was costing $30, which is around how much? 2,200 rupees, 2,300 rupees, as opposed to 9,000 for a sticker visa. So I applied. I went to the website. It's a very simple and very quite easily understood website where everything is obvious. You have to upload your photograph, scan photograph, there's a dimension, it's written there. You have to upload your date of entry, date of exit, purpose of travel, blah 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 blah, what generally you have, your flight tickets, your hotel reservations via booking.com, your bank statement, which is you have to, a proof of your financial independence, and your insurance, travel insurance, which you have to buy from their website. I have also given the link from where you want to buy the Ukrainian travel insurance. There's a site called visit.ukraine. From there only you have to buy. Otherwise, अगर आप किसी और कंपनी से लेंगे ट्रैवल इंश्योरेंस तो वो आपको मना कर सकते हैं. तो मैंने सब कुछ ठीक ठाक से ही किया. मैंने यूक्रेनियन कंपनी से इंश्योरेंस खरीदी. मैंने अपना पासपोर्ट स्कैन, मेरे होटल रिजर्वेशन, मेरे फ्लाइट टिकट्स, मेरे सब कुछ मैंने एकदम ठीक ठाक से दिया. फी पे किया ऑनलाइन इंटरनेट बैंकिंग से और सबमिट कर दिया. नाउ जनरली वेबसाइट पे लिखा हुआ ये है कि ई वीज़ा में आने में अप टू 10 वर्किंग डेज लगता है, बट जनरली आई हैव सीन लॉट ऑफ वीडियोस इन द इंटरनेट कि 5 दिनों में आ जाता है. सो एवरी पीपल, मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल, सम पीपल इवन गॉट इट इन 3 days. सो 5 days मान के चल रहा था मैं. आई फिल्ड दिस ऑन 4th of September. 4th of September 2021. So that was a Saturday. So 6 तारीख से मान लीजिए working day start होता है. So I was hoping कि by Friday it will come, or maybe the next week, sometime in the middle of next week, but it simply didn't arrive. Today is the 2nd of October, rather 3rd of October. 12 बज चुके हैं. एक हफ्ते में मेरी फ्लाइट है यूक्रेन के लिए. अभी तक वीज़ा नहीं आया है. And this has put the complete plans which I had, my full itinerary, into jeopardy. I'll tell you how. Because I have my trip starts and ends in Ukraine. I have to get to Ukraine, and I have flights from Ukraine to Albania and Albania to Serbia and back from Serbia to Ukraine. I have to now, if I have to, cancel out Ukraine, I have to cancel my Fly Dubai flight, that is Kolkata to Kiev and back, and make it Kolkata to Belgrade and back, because Belgrade is visa free. That's my next port of entry, choicest port of entry. So इसमें obviously my flight tickets are partially refundable. Generally international tickets are like this. The 85% refundable. So it's just a week left, and I am in a fix what to do, because I really want to see the country Ukraine, and the beautiful city of Lviv and Kiev attracts me a lot. And there is a flight from Kiev to Lviv which is completely non-refundable. I'll not even get what I mean. The flight is of 9,000 rupees. I'll get only 500 rupees back. Then there is a flight from Serbia, Belgrade, Serbia to Kiev. That is the day when I'm going back to Kiev to catch my flight back to Kolkata. वो भी मतलब partially refundable है, तो मतलब काफी नुकसान होने वाला है मुझे, मतलब. एंड देन देयर इज फ्लाई दुबई का फ्लाइट रिफंड करके फिर नया फ्लाइट बुक करना, उसमें भी कुछ पैसे जाएंगे, और एक हफ्ते बाद फ्लाइट है, तो फ्लाइट अभी लूँगा तो काफ़ी महंगा पड़ने वाला है. तो यू कैन गैस 30,000 के आसपास खर्चा हो जाएगा ओवर द ट्रिप. सो दैट हैज़ एक्चुअली पुट मी टू जेopardy. Every day I check the website. I'll show you I'll show the screenshot. मैं यहाँ पे लगा दूँगा the screenshot where it says that your visa application has been submitted and it's under consideration. Here it is. अब ये consideration इसके बाद there is no communication at all. They have given a helpline number. They have given an email ID. No one picks up the phone, and I have written 3 to 4 emails. No one responds to the email. Here are the screenshots of the email. I can show you. I mean, it's so frustrating. No one picks up. No one responds to the email. I have even gone to the extent of translating it into Ukrainian, Russian, and then writing it. क्या पता वो इंग्लिश अंग्रेजी ना समझते हो, बिकॉज जनरली ईस्टर्न यूरोप कंट्रीज आई हैव ट्रैवल्ड एंड द चॉइस ऑफ द लैंग्वेज स्किल्स आर इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज नॉलेज इज़ वेरी लिमिटेड होता है वहाँ पे. सो मैंने ट्रांसलेट करके भी लिखा, फिर भी कोई रिप्लाई नहीं. फिर मैंने एम्बेसी में कॉल कर दिया, दिल्ली में. दिल्ली एम्बेसी में एक भाई साहब बैठे हैं, वो यूक्रेनियन है. ये उनको भी अंग्रेजी ठीक से नहीं आती, तो वो मैं पूछता हूँ कि ई वीसा सुनते ही बोलते हैं मैं आपकी कोई मदद नहीं कर सकता, आप प्लीज़ evisa.mfa जो वेबसाइट मैंने लिंक दिया है इस वेबसाइट पे संपर्क कीजिए. बोलो मैंने भाईजान कोई जवाब नहीं दे रहा है, फ़ोन नहीं उठा रहा है, मेल का रिप्लाई नहीं दे रहा है, सॉरी मैं आई डोंट हेल्प यू, आई कैन नॉट हेल्प यू, ऐसे बोल देता है. एंड वही ऑपरेटर है, मैं मेल भी लिख चुका हूँ. एंड they have said that embassy in Delhi have said that when it comes to e-visa they can't help. It's completely managed by the border control and their office is in Ukraine. Delhi embassy has nothing to do with it. हाँ अगर sticker visa है then they can help, but sticker visa obviously expensive है. अभी क्या choice बचता है मेरे लिए? So मैं बहुत दुविधा में हूँ एक्चुअली. I'm waiting. So मेरा प्लान यही है कि मैं मंडे तक वेट करूँगा. उसके मंडे अगर नहीं आता है तो I'm gonna straight away go ahead, cancel my Ukraine का flight and then book a Serbia का flight, and then also I have to cancel the Ukraine to Albania का flight, and also I have to cancel the Serbia to Ukraine का flight. तो ऐसा है, the trip is all suddenly up in the air, which is not a very happy feeling. It's completely stressing me out. And yeah, every day I wake up, I work throughout the office. मैं काम कर रहा हूँ, I'm checking the email, I'm checking the visa portal कि कोई आया है, कुछ आया है कि नहीं. I'm calling Ukraine. I literally called embassy. I've tweeted to people. I have even gone ahead to the extent I've tweeted their foreign minister of Ukraine. I don't know क्या होगा. तो its customer service is really poor. It's really poor. तो ये मैं बस यही बोलना चाहता हूँ अभी कि यूक्रेन अभी मत जाइए. If you're planning to go to Ukraine because of the very convenient e-visa system, don't go to Ukraine right now because e-visa का कुछ अता पता नहीं है. I have also seen in lot of travel groups, people have waited and have not got also. Some people have got after 1.5 months, and there are people who are still waiting, like me. They are all pinging me and saying कि भाई साहब आपका आया, did you get the visa? I said भाई नहीं आया, उसका भी नहीं आया. So it's all very, you don't have any control over it, and that's what's very frustrating. So my advice to you is that Serbia you're going, bindas jao. Albania hai, bindas jao, but Ukraine don't go right now. I think the reason why this delay, if I'm a bit pragmatic, I'm trying to be pragmatic. Main reason maybe the भूल रहा हूँ, medical admissions. हर साल हज़ारों बच्चे इंडिया से ये ईस्टर्न यूरोपियन कंट्रीज़ में मेडिसिन पढ़ने जाते हैं, MBBS. So your Ukraine, your Belarus, your Kazakhstan, your Russia, your Georgia, all these countries provide very quality medical education in English language, and the quality is pretty good, I've heard. And Ukraine is the top most study destination for Indian students. और अभी बहुत सारा admission का rush है, so maybe that's why they're clearing the students का application first. There is also another reason because due to COVID, less people are in office. But these explanations are hardly provide any comfort to me. So यही बात करना था आप लोगों से. I had something to get off my chest. So next week, this time I would have been in the airport. ready to board my fly Dubai flight, but I don't know the destination. दुबई तक तो पहुंच जाऊंगा, वो बात पक्की, लेकिन यूक्रेन जाऊंगा या सर्बिया जाऊंगा, ये बात सिर्फ मंडे को ही पता चल सकती है, जो परसों है. तो तब तक मैं वेट करता हूँ मंडे एंड ऑफ डे, यानी कि हमारे यहाँ पे 6 बजे, तो हमारे यहाँ पे 8:30 बजे, तो उनके वहाँ पे 6 बजे तक नहीं आया तो फटाफट यूक्रेन टिकट कैंसिल, फ्लाई दुबई के जो भी रिफंड आए उससे और भी कुछ पैसा लगे वो पैसा भर के सर्बिया चले जाओ. बस यही प्लान है. तो ऐसा है. तो कुछ कंट्रीज ये यूक्रेन के साथ ये इशू हो रहा है. अवॉइड यूक्रेन राइट नाउ, गो टू अदर कंट्रीज लाइक Albania, Serbia. You can go, even you can go to Turkey. Turkey has slowly started opening up, but यूक्रेन थोड़ा रुक जाओ, बस यही कहना था. एंड ओवरऑल मेरा मिररलेस कैमरा का भी टेस्टिंग हो गई इस चक्कर में, एंड इट्स नाइस, मस्त है एकदम. या बस इतना ही कहना था. Closer to the trip, I think I'll make another video, or maybe if I don't get the time, the next video you will see me at the airport, and I hope it's Ukraine, because I really want to see the sights of Kiev, the beautiful city of Lviv, and the town of Pripyat in Chernobyl. So do comment in the comment section below और बताइए कि आपका वीज़ा आया कि नहीं, और आया तो कितने दिन बाद आया, कैसे आया, और आपने कैसे रीशेड्यूल किया, तो बताइए, मेरे साथ डिस्कस कीजिए. बिकॉज अभी तक ऐसा कोई वीडियो बनाया नहीं है. बहुत सारे वीडियोस मिल जाएंगे आपको हाउ टू फिल द वीज़ा एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म, बट देयर विल बी नो वीडियो लाइक मी, आई थिंक, हु इज़ काइंड ऑफ स्टक इन दिस लिम्बो. The worst thing is you can't cancel your e-visa application form. Do you know that? You can't cancel it and reapply. आपको वेट करना ही पड़ेगा जब तक कुछ आ जाए. तो एक टाइम होता था ना कि घोस्टिंग बोलते हैं इसको. एक टाइम होता था स्कूल में, कॉलेज में लड़कियां घोस्ट करती थी. उसके बाद जॉब में आने के बाद HR घोस्ट करते हैं, इंटरव्यू ले लेते हैं, फिर कोई जवाब नहीं देते. अभी एम्बेसियां कंट्रीज घोस्टिंग कर रही है. यही लाइफ है भाई. क्या है. चलो ठीक है, ख़त्म करते हैं वीडियो. बताना ज़रूर कैसा लगा और कमेंट करना, एंड होपफुली नेक्स्ट वीडियो आई विल सी यू इन द एयरपोर्ट. थैंक यू, बाय.